up, guys? Welcome back, dude. Currently Monday, and we keep getting rain off and on. It's actually kind of nice, man. I wish it would have came while I was at work. All day it was fucking humid and hot as hell. If it would have just rained, that would have been amazing. But of course, it waited till I got home. Good news is we ain't painting shit today, so I have good news. Ta-da! Yep, our window brackets came in, so we'll be able to finally install the LED bar. But before we open that up, dude, I had a lazy weekend, man. I said it in the last video, so I got a little bit of a mess to kind of clean up. I'm gonna clean up the garage really quick, and then we'll open these brackets up. Made in China? Oh, hell no. No, I was just playing. I don't give a fuck. Alright, so this thing obviously comes with the two brackets that we need to mount the light up, and then it comes with hardware, and these things I believe are those little riv nuts, which I don't have a riv nut machine to actually rivet these things into the body, but it does come with hardware, the riv nuts, and I guess this is like a little foam piece to put between the body of the car and the bracket, just I don't know, I guess save it from vibrating all the paint off. But yeah, guys, that's basically all I planned on accomplishing today. Is I wanted to come home, get the garage cleaned up, and hopefully my brackets came in, which they did, so that's a definite plus. And do a real quick unboxing, dude, because my girlfriend and I are actually gonna go on a date tonight, man. It's been a long time. I'm just playing. We go on dates all the time. Just don't ask her. No, but for real, so tomorrow after work, I'm gonna actually probably go by Harbor Freight and see how much it costs for one of these little rib nut guns, because I think this is gonna be the best way to mount it instead of just screwing it to the body. But anyhow, I'm gonna close up the garage and head out, and we'll pick back up on this tomorrow. We're back at home, baby. Tuesday's work day is down. We just got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Fuck, man. Work week never goes by fast enough, man. Weekends go, phew. Work week goes, Anyhow, I stopped by a local shop here in Arizona. It's called Import Powerhouse. If you guys are here in AZ, I'm sure you've heard of it because they've been around for a long time, but that's the only place that I knew of locally that I can just go and pick up a set of head studs. I'm probably gonna be needing them soon. Hopefully, I'm not dropping no hints there or nothing. But also, got our rib nut machine from Harbor Freight. I'm most certainly gonna be keeping my receipt on this motherfucker because, I mean, it just looks cheap. But I'm sure it'll do the job, man. I mean, we only have fucking 6 rib nuts to put in, so hopefully it holds up. Hopefully. Brother, I'm just gonna get straight into this, man, because I'm excited to see what this light bar looks like. And we have a storm coming, and it's coming fast, bro. It's supposed to rain all night, all until tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to get this done, hopefully before it starts pouring. That's the reason why I didn't move the Civic out. Normally I'd move the Civic out, you guys know that. Alright, now these are just kind of mocked up in there. Luckily I'm able to just kind of set it in there and shut the door and it holds it in place, but that just gives you an idea of how much it is we need to alter these things. So this thing basically needs to turn this way. You know, we just gotta bend them, bro. We gotta bend them until it's gonna work. So should be pretty simple, I'm hoping. Who knows?
Looking, kissing when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive them when I kiss them. If you outside, never. Just let me know.
Alright, so I backed Max up a little bit so that can actually see what I'm doing on camera. But check this out real quick. Well, for one, I come walking out of my garage. I'm like, what the fuck? Why aren't I just mounting this thing on the hood? But anyhow, check out who's the treasure at the end of the rainbow. Come on, focus. There we go. Definitely an Instagram shot. Perfect timing to plug my Instagram. Make sure you follow me. Duh.
Hold up.
Alright, I think I've got it. Alright, finally, dude, no more bending. The brackets are bent as far as they need to be. I have my placement, I know exactly where I want it. So now we just gotta drill some holes and... Toby! What are you doing? He takes off. Motherfucker's out here to take a piss in my garage. That's what he's doing. Anyhow, you guys want to get a sneak peek real quick? Looks pretty sick, bro. Anyhow, our work's not done yet, dude. Gotta get the thing mounted. I mean, it looks good. I like it. I think it gives it a really aggressive look. It gives it more of a mean look. Adds more character to it, obviously. So, now to just start drilling some fucking holes, brother. Alright, I'm actually gonna put a piece of tape here where we're gonna be drilling. So whenever I mark my holes, they're gonna be a lot easier to see. And when I was test fitting it, I found that the position that I like it to be in is the bracket starts exactly 2 inches down from this seam right here. So I'm gonna mark that 2 inches. Alright, now to mark my holes, and I'm using a pin so that whenever I mark it, it's more exact rather than using a Sharpie. I'm gonna drill a small hole first for a pilot hole, but before I do that, I have this guy here. This is called a prick punch. It has a little sharp tip on it, and you basically put that right in the center of where it is you're wanting to drill a hole. And you push in on it, it's spring loaded, and what it does is it leaves a little prick right in the center where it is you're wanting to drill your hole, and that will give the drill bit something to follow so it doesn't walk around. Alright guys, for the time being, I'm not going to use those rib nuts. I do plan on using them on these brackets in the future. But, dude, this storm is freaking rolling in, brother. It's coming in fast. And I need to get this thing mounted on the car and get my garage closed. I don't want to be out there working in the rain, you know what I'm saying? And to pull it into the garage, I'd have to move the hatch out. And I'd be damn if the hatch is going out there in the rain. And bending these things, beating the shit out of them with a hammer, we really fucked up the powder coat pretty bad. But I don't obviously have time to paint them right now either, so I'm gonna hit them with some of this undercoating. It's that rubberized shit that I use like inside of the wheel wells. Actually, I think, hang on. Yeah, never mind. This has kind of like a brown tint to it. All right, I'm gonna be hitting them with some gloss black spray paint. Temporary. We'll repaint them later, but for now, this is all I have time to do. And I don't want them to look like this on the car tomorrow. Just a real light coat so it dries fast.
Here on my one rain like this. What the spell your name?
All right, dude, it is freaking humid as hell. I'm gonna stand in front of my air conditioning for a quick moment. All right, we beat the storm, dude. We got it installed. Now, just to let you guys know really quick, I am not wiring the LED bar right now because I have something coming in that's really cool for Max. A distribution block, basically, that has the built-in relays. It has a distribution block and stuff that I want to put on Max that I'm basically going to redo, like all the wiring, everything I've already done. And I want to wait for that to come in before I actually wire this thing in. Yeah, I'm excited for it, dude. It's gonna be freaking badass. Let me show you guys really quick. Dude, this came out freaking solid, bro. This thing is not going anywhere. Now, I wanna ask you guys a question. Any recommendations on what I should do about this as far as anti-theft? Because anybody can walk up with a fucking Allen wrench and steal this motherfucker. So, something other than welding, because I don't want to weld this right here. Anyhow, yeah, it's kind of dark out here, so my camera's not focusing on it, but this is our temporary hardware. It's just Phillips head screws. They're about 1 inch long, and dude, they're in there fucking solid, but that is most certainly temporary. I feel like every time I finish something on Max, by the time I'm done, it's always dark, and it's so hard to actually show you guys how it came out or what it looks like. So I'll say once again, like I always say, I'll take some good pictures of it and post it up on my Instagram, of course, tomorrow. So things to look forward to is that we're gonna get it wired up later, obviously, but don't go nowhere. I'm gonna light it up. I'm gonna use my battery. I'm gonna use my battery off my drill, and I'm gonna light it up so you guys can at least see what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Holy shit. Raven! Fucking bright as hell, huh? Look, there's a cop sitting in my driveway. Anyhow, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And as far as that rib nut gun, dude, I'll pick back up on that another day. I just, you know what I mean? I wanted to hurry up and get this done before it started raining, which it still hasn't. Motherfucking weatherman always lying about shit. But maybe I'll make a video like just all about this thing. You know, whether the Harbor Freight one is even worth it or not. I know these things are cool as fuck. It's definitely a good thing to have, so I most certainly recommend getting one if you have the chance. But maybe we'll do a review on the Harbor Freight one. I'll let you know if it's junk or not. So, but once again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to get on the customer list if you want to win the wing. I think last time I looked, it was at like 20. So, like I said, dude, you guys have pretty good odds to get that thing. So make sure you guys get a sticker before it's too late, brother. Look at the shadow on my face from my car. It's crazy. Later, guys. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?